Welcome to Champaign Ford City. This is Todd. We've got another Supercharged F150 ready to go. So 2023 four-wheel drive, regular cab short bed, 10-speed auto, 373 electronic locking differential. We've got a Roush Supercharger on here that's 705 horsepower, and we'll show you that here in a minute. Those of you that watch our videos, you've kind of heard me run through this before, but just in case anybody's new, we've got color matched grille with the black and silver Ford oval emblems, color matched bumpers. We disassemble the fender vents and paint those, insert our custom badges, and then we leave the intersection at factory dull as a nice contrast. Painted door handles. We've got our MBRP side exit exhaust with the dual black tips. And we get rid of that, normally there'd be a kind of a mud flap here. We get rid of that and use the four-wheel drive fender cap there. It kind of cleans it up. Color matched rear bumper, tinted tail lights. Again, got the black and silver Ford oval emblem. Got the Ford tailgate spoiler. Gives a nice aggressive profile to that. Nice added styling touch. Tinted windows on the inside. So this is an XL 101A package. A lot of equipment on it for an XL. It's going to have power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, Bluetooth. You've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay compatible. This has satellite radio. Should have showed you at the front of the truck. This is ordered with the optional fog lamps as well. Carpet, that is not standard, that's an option. And four-wheel drive. You got your different drive modes, the electronic locking differential switch, all your climate control, charging ports. You can manually shift this truck on the gear selector there. We'll go over to the driver's side and take a look at some stuff there in a second. So split bench seat, this flips up, gives you option for a third seat and storage below. So this truck started out as 400 horsepower. It is now 705 at the motor, 635 foot-pounds of torque from the Roush Supercharger. There's those factory fog lamps. Power windows, mirrors, locks. Got your automatic lights. Got a cab mounted bed light, tilt, steering wheel controls for your cruise control and audio system. All right, we'll pop the hood and see what lives under there. Alright, there's your Roush 2650 Supercharger. Again, 705 horsepower. I really like the intake setup on these. Drawing in cold air right into the air box. So with the Supercharger, the Ford 5-year 60 powertrain warranty goes away. Roush, at no extra charge, gives you a 3-year 36,000 mile powertrain coverage. Again, no charge. Any Ford dealership in the country can work on these. Updates are done right through the Ford computers. There's no handheld tuner with Roush. Tell you what, nothing looks better than black when it's cleaned up. You know, we're pretty picky here. We even clean the inside of the bed. I've seen people go buy $100,000 trucks at dealerships and they leave and the bed's dirty. I don't know. I just think that's, maybe I'm just picky, but I think that's wrong. Engine bay should be clean, interior should be clean, windows should be clean, the bed should be clean. We've got a couple splashes on this one need to get wiped off as I'm looking at it. We had a little rain today, so must have hit a puddle on the way back from the photo booth. So we'll get this one online, get a link in the description.